A creamy keyboard with a screen? Yes, please. This is the Attack Shark K86. Kind of fitting now that it's Shark Week. Inside the box you get your cable, keycap and switch puller, extra switches, and this beautiful creamy pre-built keyboard with a screen and a knob. Through the screen you can control your connection modes, your RGB options, and you can pick a long list of GIFs to upload onto your LCD screen. Plus control all your media as well. This comes with a creamy switch they call the Blue Whale, and as you can see, this keyboard is hot swappable. For a pre-built creamy keyboard with an LCD screen and a knob, this is an absolute steal. Click the link below to grab one before they run out of stock.